Hello everyone, how to solve this problem for the values of a if we have square root of a plus square root of a is equals to a, and we solve this problem for all the values of a. So here we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these two methods. But if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now we move towards the solution of this problem for first method. And here you see that these are the two same variable terms are added by each other. It means that we need to add the coefficients for both of these two terms. And its coefficients are 1, and after added it will becomes 2 times of square root of a is equals to a. And here we use the nice algebraic rule. So you know about that. If we have if we have a number is b, so we write this b into the product of two square roots, and it will becomes square root of b is multiplied by square root of b. Okay, so here we write this a as into the form of product of two a's. Okay, so it will becomes, this is 2 times of square root of a is equals to, we write this a as square root of a is multiplied by square root of a. And further in the next step we move this 2 terms of square root of a from left hand side to the right hand side, and it will becomes square root of a is multiplied by square root of a. This is positive term. When we move it into the right hand side, it will become the negative, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And further in the next step we need to take common square root of a from here, and when we take common this we get square root of a, and when you take common square root of a from here we get 2, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write square root of a is equals to 0, and the second case is we write square root of a minus 2 is equals to 0. And here further in the next step we need to find the values of a, so that here we need to take squaring on both of the sides. So here these 2 and square root are gone, and we will get here a is equals to 0 square becomes 0. So this is the first root of the given equation. And now here in order to find the other roots we need to solve this equation. So here we move minus 2 to the right hand side, and it will becomes square root of a is equals to 2. And here we need to again remove square root sign. For this we again take squaring on both of the sides, and it will become this 2 and square root are gone, and we get here a equals to this 2 square becomes 4. So this is the value of a. So here we get these are the two values of a, and further in the next step we need to verify that is these two values of a are solution of this equation, or these two values of a are extraneous root. Further we need to solve here we first copy down given question statement. Here the given question statement is square root of a plus square root of a is equals to a, and in this side we will be verify a is equals to 0, and in this side we will be verify a is equals to 4. And now here first we need to verify a is equals to 0. So here when we put this value of a equals to 0 on both of the sides, it will be written as square root of 0 plus square root of 0 is equals to 0, and we obtain here 0 plus 0 equals to 0 and 0 equals to 0. So this shows that both of the sides are equal. When we choose a equals to 0, it means that a equals to 0 is satisfied our given question statement. And now here we move towards our second root, and now we put a equals to 4 on both of the sides, and it will be written as square root of 4 plus square root of 4 is equals to 4, and we have this is 2 plus 2 is equals to 4, and we get 4 is equals to 4. So this shows that both of the sides are equal, and it means that both of these two values are satisfied our given question statement. So that finally we have the solution set of this question is 0 and 4. So this is the solution which we get here from first method. And now here we again solve this problem for second method. In second method we need to copy down given question statement here, so that our given question statement is square root of a plus square root of a is equals to a. So here our second method be the very quick method, and here we just quickly find the values of a. So here first you see that this is square root of a plus square root of a becomes 2 times of square root of a is equals to a. And here we need to remove the square root sign from left hand side. For this we need to take squaring on both of the sides. So here squaring on both of the sides. So now further in the next step we need to plug the square separately on both of these two values, and it will becomes 2 square is multiplied by a square root of a and its whole square is equals to this a square. And now here you see that this 2 square becomes 4 and this 2 and square root are gone, and we will get here a equals to this is a square. And here further if we move this 4a from left hand side to the right hand side, and it will becomes a square minus 4a is equals to 0. And now you see here both of these two terms involve a, so that we will take common a from here, and we get the remaining values are a minus 4 equals to 0. And now we divide this into the two cases. The first case is we write a equals to 0. This is the first root, and the second case is we write a minus 4 equals to 0. And from here we get the value of a is equals to 4. So this is the second root. And now you see here in the first method we already verified that both of these two values are satisfied our given question statement, so that the solution set in second method is also be the 0 and 4. This is our final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.